For joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2014 Toyota Prius C in silver. It has black and gray cloth interior, seating for 4 doors and a hatch. Has a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. It's a hybrid and it's a front wheel drive. It also has all-weather mats as well as carpeted mats, cruise control, and it also has Bluetooth. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and your mirror controls are located here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your dash controls, hands-free dialing, as well as your trip information, and your cruise control is located here. And when you start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages as well as your odometer reading. And you actually see how the battery's working in the vehicle. So you see that little car go by, that's kind of cute. And then as we start it up, it's very quiet. And the way you know is that you're seeing the mechanisms and the different services pop up. So like for instance on our screen here we have AM, FM, you also have your CD player, you also have Bluetooth, and you have your controls underneath. There's your temperature control, AC, and your fan, front and rear defrost, and there you go, it just kicked in. And so you're seeing the little arrows going. And then down below you've got a 12 volt, a couple of cup holders as well as some bins. There's your shifter, it's an automatic transmission, emergency parking brake, and you've got the eco mode and the EV mode. And then off on the side you have your auxiliary line and USB located there, and a little place to put things, glove compartments down below. You have a manually dimming rear view mirror. Your lighting controls are located there, and there's a grab handle on the passenger side making it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, body colored door handle and side view mirror, and driver's side fuel cap. In the back you have a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and when you're ready to open everything up you simply put your hand underneath the Toyota badge and you easily get into the back. There's a nice little tonneau cover, so that closes up and hides things, and you've got a nice roomy area to put items. And then when you're ready to close everything up you simply put your hand to the right in the handle, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And you also have power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the pin and it'll come right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. There's anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats, and then just give it a push back into the upright position. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and there's a cup holder in the center there. Up above you have handles, lines, privacy glass in the windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.